Welcome back. This is part 6, and in this part we're going to write the disabled logic. So if I click these two, I shouldn't be able to click on the third or fourth card until either these are revealed or they go back to the original state. Alright, let's go here, and I think everything can be done on the app.js. First we would have a state. This is false in the beginning, and here if we have two cards that are matching, we can set the disabled to be true until we reveal the cards, and when we reset here, we need to set the disabled back to false so that the user can click on the cards. Here we disable it so that they don't be able to click. And the other thing that we need to do here, update revealed cards. When we do an update, we also need to see if the disabled is true. Then we shouldn't update the first or the second card. Right? So we did it in a few places. First we set it up here, then in the update revealed cards, which is triggered by clicking on the card, we would check if that disabled is true, then we return. We don't do anything. It's as if we haven't clicked on these buttons, so we ignore the clicking, so to say. And here when we reset, then we set the disabled back to false so that the user can click on the cards. And here when those two values are not undefined, then we set the disabled so that either we reveal the cards or we reset them. Okay, so let's go back and then try to click. You can see that I cannot click the third one. And in the next part we would include this new game button so that we can start a new game. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.